welcome to Budge's Bus. My name is Melody Budge and this is my younger cousin,
Bella Budge.
and I hope you will enjoy this video.
Oh, good evening and welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed my two granddaughters. They wanted to do an introduction and get their face on YouTube. They've been nagging Carol and myself for ever since we started, so they've got their debut. What it is, I was going to talk to you tonight about a product we brought this week. It's a pair of solar lamps with small solar chargers, and to be honest, we brought them from Amazon thinking, well, if they're rubbish we can just send them back, so we wouldn't have lost nothing. The reason we brought them was because we didn't realise my brother-in-law was going to, son-in-law I should say, was going to let me borrow his van, and we thought it was going to be in a tent, so we thought we'd invest in these. They are supplied by a company called Lampex on Amazon. They are just over £12 odd each. Oh, sorry, £12 a pair. And here they are. You get two small solar panels, which surprised me. They did charge up the lights. And the lights are basically bulb shaped, and I'll be totally honest, I didn't think they was going to be much good, but they really and truly surprised Carol and I. The kitchen we're sitting in tonight is 12 foot wide by 18 foot long. We put two of these up in here last night just to see how they worked, and we was pleasantly surprised. They gave us enough light to work by. If you wanted to read, we would have no problem reading by them. So I thought, well, if it's a good product, I'll review it. The good thing about them, well, it might be good, it might be bad, it depends on you. They won't charge up unless they're turned on, and then the little light will come on, red light. They won't turn on until it gets dark. So if you just wanted them for when it's dark, it's great. But if you needed them, say, to look for something in the car or the boot at night, it comes on. I know it doesn't look that bright in this light, but let me turn the main light off and you'll see. So bear with me, it's getting dark. There you go, that's one. That's number two. It's bright enough to make a video, so if you've got a small motorhome or a van, they're ideal for backup lighting. And I'll be honest, we brought two, so we thought, well, like I said, if they're rubbish, we'd send them back to Amazon. We wouldn't have lost nothing. And for £12 odd for two, plus free delivery, you just can't lose out. Like I say, they're made by a company called Lampex. I'll write the actual name up on the video and it'll be down here somewhere, and I'll leave a link through our affiliated page on Amazon. Like I say, I would recommend them. As you can see, nice and bright. Let's see, like I say, more than bright enough. This one could do with a bit charging. We left it on last night. Yeah, personally speaking, they're well worth the pennies. So I hope you don't mind me rambling. I'd like to say thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care, and happy travelling from us, the Budgies family. I'm going to let Melody and Bella say the farewells, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I say, if you're interested in them, the link will be in the description below. So to those of you that will be at the Motorhome and Camping Show at the weekend, look forward to meeting you and hopefully get to know some of you other YouTubers and followers in person. I'm sorry we haven't got any stickers at the moment. We're going to have to try and find out who we can get to make them for us, but bear with us and thank you for watching. I'll leave it to Bella and Robin. Bye. Sorry, Bella and Bella. Sorry, this is the trouble when you got so many kids and so many grandkids. It's Melody and Lizabella. So catch you in the next video. Happy travelling to you all.
Thank you for watching the Budge Bus. We hope you enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe and notification bell, and please comment.
And please hit the like button.
And thank you again for watching.